please. Thank you. Pregnancy notes before, during and after by Rujita Divekar, ladies and gentlemen. A louder applause, please. Come on. Thank you. That's more like it.
One second.
One more, please.
Ma'am, here corner.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
Yes, ma'am. मैम मैम इस तरफ मैम आपके सामने मैम करेगा जी मैम
here corner.
सेंटर मैम
Ma'am, here corner.
करेगा जी यहाँ पे
Now your left side, ma'am.
थैंक यू
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. May I please request all of you to take your seats now? Mics.
Phone forward is through that door.
Please, all your mobile phones should be on silent mode. And I would request all of you to please take your seats.
You say, you're an expert in this. No, so I think
Finally, the book is launched.
I know, isn't it great?
Rujita, may I now?
Bit about what to eat before pregnancy, during pregnancy, post it, what to eat for like vitamin D and iron levels and stuff. So we've already done a little bit of a Q&A, but now you need to tell us what do you think is the most important message in the book?
I think the most important message in the book is the fact that Rujita has even written a pregnancy book. I think everybody writes diet books, exercise books, yoga books. Of course, Rujita has also done, I think, one of the biggest books to have come out of India, How Don't Lose Your Mind, Lose Your Weight. I think this is a one of a kind because, I mean, for every woman, I think everybody's a little nervous, anxious, scared the first time you become a mother, the first time you get pregnant. So an informative book which guides you through, I think, the journey, which is so very special. Which you get a lot of jitters, nervousness, sometimes you overeat, undereat. There's so many things taking place during pregnancy. So I think this is literally going to be a pregnancy Bible for a lot of women, and I'm so happy that we've done this together, and I'm here today to launch this book that's finally out. It's an exciting moment, and I'm sure this one's going to be even bigger than Don't Lose Your Mind, Lose Your Weight.
Well, thank you for that. But you know, we've been together since Don't Lose Your Mind, Lose Your Weight. And I think like all the trends that you have propelled, Don't Lose Your Mind, Lose Your Weight also propelled another trend of, actors endorsing diet books. Don't you think so?
Yes, I mean, of course. I think that definitely, I think that was the first time that I think, we actually so openly had written about the diet fads and what kind of right eating was about. I think in India, everyone was very averse to eating right. Everybody thought they were eating right, but nobody was really implementing that. And the fact that when Rujita really came out and openly spoke about, how women actually, and not just women actually, I think even men, they lose their mind more than they lose inches on their waist. Because people in the gym ke mare ja rahe, 4 ghante mare ja rahe. Ki kya ho raha hai? But nobody is really losing weight. So I think the idea being is that, you have somebody to guide you, and I think, yes, ever since then, there have been gazillions and thousands of books after that.
Yeah, so in a way, you actually made the book industry, got them rolling. Huh?
Yeah,
There was
but-
no such thing as a diet section, Pele. Now there's a health section.
There have been a lot of firsts.
Yeah.
No? And especially with me, including the paparazzi and the media, if I would like to take credit. The whole gym session, the whole gym look. तुम लोग ने क्या यार पूरा Reebok, Adidas, Nike खाली हो गया सब मेरे घर पे है कि यार every day वो pressure हो गया कि कुछ पहनो कुछ नया पहनो करीना ने क्या पहना है gym में. So everything there's a first, huh?
Yeah.
So it's fine, but it's okay. I love it and I love my photographers and please follow me and please kick me. I don't care.
And as much as you want.
As much as you want.
Okay, cool. So, what do you think was the one food that really helped you sail through your pregnancy and post it, especially because when you lost weight post pregnancy, you know, it was almost like Tushan because everyone's like, oh God, what is she doing? You know, why is she losing so much weight?
No, I think that in fact it's a very gradual process because it has been 6 months, but like I said that it's going to be this whole 1 year. You know, we're going to do it the right way. We're going to eat the right kind of food. Just so everybody knows, of course, I had today, it was, I had lots of ghee. You know, I told him that even in my dal, there should be a little bit of it. That I enjoyed the taste, and I think that also it's literally helping me, keeping my skin, my hair, everything is like feeling great. And the most important, I'm also very happy. So I think a happy mother is the best mother in the world.
Yes, I think, some loud applause.